Hi everyone, so this is the day I'll be getting my first dose of vaccine in order for me to be protected from the virus. And it is not just only for myself but as well as for the people that I talk to, my family, my relatives, friends, neighbors, co-workers, and whoever I'm gonna having an interaction with. This is purely about my journey in getting the vaccine. So I'm already here in the vaccination site. So I'm already here in the vaccination area and there were like a lot of people already lining. And I'm actually a bit nervous. I can do this fighting. So I'll be getting now my form.
QR code sa taas dito. Facility is your enrollment.
Salamat, sir. So I'm already here in the first step, which is we're gonna fill up forms. This is the first step that you should or we should do before getting the vaccine. So as you can see, there are a lot already of people around the area. Guys, this is actually like an informative video, especially for those individuals who are still in the stage of being unsure of not getting the vaccine. So I hope that this will help you to really have the vaccine in order for you to protect yourself and the people that you love. Okay? So I am now going to fill up the form for my vaccination. Sir!
Okay po, paano lang sabay cancel? Sa vlog ko
So I am already here in step 2, which is encoding. So they're going to encode your information, whether you are good to go for the vaccine. If you are healthy, I don't know. I don't know yet. As far as I know that they're gonna encode your information. Ma'am, nag-video ba ako?
Okay, ma'am. Morning.
Hi, ma'am. So they are now like going to encode the information.
Tatay ginagawin tanan.
Wala, ma'am. So this is the verdict. Dili pa di ay. So I am here now in step 3, which is the counseling. Okay na, magawas ka. Okay na, sige na, good ma'am. Sige na, this is the your time.
Bahala, ma'am.
Mag-ask mo kag-question?
Dili.
Dili di. Ay, counseling.
Interval for the second dose is 28 to 32 days. After that, kay i-notify lang mo more or less. Tapos, ma'am, if mabaksinan na,
28 days.
28 to 32. If mabaksinan na, ma'am, ang possible side effect is fever, sakit ang ulo, sakit ang lawas. Tapos, instances nga wala jud at all. But even so, mag-take tag paracetamol, ma'am, if na atong mga side effects ha. But if wala, mag-rest lang.
Mag-provide mo.
Ha, dili.
Wala, libre.
Pwede ka mahayo sa clinic. Kato, ma'am, if dili manageable ang side effects nga na-experience, mag-seek na og help sa physician. So, after diri, check ang inyong BP. Dapat normal ang BP ninyo.
Sila gani ang normal na BP?
130. 130 dahil no, kaya ang 140.
130?
Ano naman, borderline. 140 borderline.
So 130, okay pa.
Oo. Pero close to borderline yung Quiapo. Mga lesser than 130 to go.
So, dapat
Nakaka-question,
dapat
ma'am.
dili mag above 130.
Dili, kay maano jud ka, tanggong.
Ipa-costa mo for a while.
Oo, pa-relax, hantud sa ma-normal. Ma'am, nakaka-question.
Wala man so far.
Ma'am, dara ma'am.
So I'm almost going to the step 4, which is the checking of blood pressure. So hopefully my BP is normal so that I can get the shot or the vaccine. Wish me luck. I am actually a bit nervous right now. Like my heart is like pumping into. My heart is something like this. Oh. So I am now in the stage 4, which is the assessment. They're gonna take my blood pressure. If it is normal, then I'm ready for the shot of the vaccine. And if not, Faith! Interview ta ka, humana ka? Again, stage 4, which is the assessment. And hopefully my blood pressure, or check my blood pressure, it will be normal so that I can like receive the vaccine already. Mag 35 ma'am.
So, first day of your last menstruation?
Last day po.
First day of your last menstruation.
First day, oh my god, wait lang ma'am. 14.
So, nai-allergy sa pagkaon?
Wala man.
Asthmatic, diabetes, hypertensive?
Wala po. Pero nakulbaan ako.
Dapat excited.
Dapat, pero excited siya at the same time. Na-expose ko, bali katong June 19.
Pero completed ako.
Completed na. Katong Sunday lang.
Hindi naman din nagpa-face no?
Wala ma'am. So I passed the stage 4, which is the assessment, because my blood pressure is normal, 130/70. So, ready. So now I'm already closer to the vaccine area, like super closer, as you can see. I'm a bit nervous now already. Like I wasn't like a while ago while they are checking my blood pressure, but now since I'm already near the vaccine area, I'm a bit nervous. Why? But I can do this, like fighting. Ako ano ni? Kukulbaan pa ako. Okay na lang.
Ito din ma'am.
Pera, sir.
Mani atong vaccine, 0.5 ml Sinovac. Bali, ang second dose din mo after 28 days.
So 38? 30 ba to?
28.
28? Nagingon dito sa mga 20 to 30 days daw.
Dapat 28. Pero
28 na
i-touch naman mo kung available na ba.
Okay. So murag ano siya, palugit ang katong 30.
Pero exactly dapat to 4 weeks. 28 days na dapat.
Nakulbaan ko alito.
Kulbaan ka?
Yes.
Kulbaan.
Okay. This is it.
Gato ha?
Yes sir, go fighting.
Siguro pat dito lang. Wala ito. Peras, no?
Yes po sir.
Kasi color sa mga speaker. Yellow. Bali dito, monitor ka nila sa 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Pasok lang dito. Ha?
Okay po.
Na may perma.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I am done. Huh? Oh. Update after getting the vaccine. It was like 5 minutes ago, and as of now, the feeling, I like this part, this part of my arm is actually numb. Do you call that numb? It is bearable. Bearable. Even the pain, it is not pain. It is actually, you are feeling like, kung sa Bisaya pa, nabunog ka, ana ang feelings. So guys, I forgot to take a video at the BP area, because after getting the vaccine, you will be checked again for your blood pressure, also as your oxygen. After checking, after I'm already stressed, like my bangs. This is the area where we're going to wait to be called so that our vaccination card will be released and we can go home after. So, update guys. It's been already 1 hour since I got my vaccine and I'm so kutoy, like gutom, daming gutom much. So I am going to take my lunch now. I am in our office. This is my table.
You serious?
Hi, good morning everyone. I just woke up and it's been 24 hours since I got my vaccine, and I just want to tell you that the only thing that I feel until now is the injection part. In Bisaya, ngul-ngul. You should be the one to to adjust, not me, okay? So go ahead and look for that, Google that translation in English, the word ngol-ngol. That's it and nothing else. Again, purpose of this video is to inform those people, especially who are still in the stage of being unsure of getting the vaccine. I got my vaccine because it is not just for myself, frankly speaking, also for the people that I love, family, relatives, friends, co-workers, and whoever people that I'm gonna having an interaction with. At least you feel confident that when you are going to talk to other people, you are sure about yourself that you won't give them sickness. Yeah, stuff like that. We all know that you have your own decision. Make sure that you should be responsible of your daily interaction with people. Make sure that you wear face mask, face shield going outside. Yes, you can have it even you are vaccinated already, but you won't get the worst result if you are vaccinated. That was the explanation to me yesterday upon receiving my vaccine card. Me, as being vaccinated from the first dose, doesn't mean that I am already a superhero, a superman. I should still abide the guidelines or the safety protocols is to wear face mask and face shield, wash hand or sanitize. Again, just be responsible. If you choose not to get vaccinated, then follow the safety protocols. If you want to be vaccinated, much better because you can protect yourself as well as your family, your relatives, your friends, your co-workers, and the people that you're going to talk with in the daily basis. So that is all the point of my video, showing you the process of getting the vaccination from the first step to the last step, and giving an informative video to the people, especially who are still in the stage of being unsure to get the vaccine. So that's it. So I cannot continue speaking in English anymore because my brain is going to explode. So I will return to Bisaya this time. Okay? Sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe diha, palihog og subscribe o i-hit ng notification bell diha sa kilid kanang para ma-notify mo sa akong mga future videos. And please like, comment, and even share it. Anyways, guys, please take care. See you sa next video. Bye!